description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and check this out. This is a little different. This is Gin Mild. This is, there's Gin Mild, there's Gin Hot Ramen from South Korea. This one's definitely ready to hop out into the U.S. market. And what's interesting about this one, I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to get it way up in there. Yeah, can you see that? It's not Otogi, O-T-T-O-G-I, it's Otoki, O-T-O-K-I. And it's like, I was talking to the bus driver, he's South Korean, and I was asking him, so what's the deal with this? Is it, so it's pronounced correctly? Because I've always called it Otogi, but it's kind of like tteokbokki, so it's Otoki. See? Who knew? It's funny though, because the T in O-T-T-O-G-I should be that soft, what is it? Soft T, hard D. That's why you'll see like tteokbokki. So it's like got two D's, D-D-U-K-B-O-K-K-I, or T-T-E-O-K-B-O-K-K-I. When they Romanize Hangul, it just goes all over the place. So now you know. That's your education on how to pronounce Korean things lesson. Kinda. I am no way saying that I'm like an expert or anything. But when I say something, I like to say it correctly, and I guess I am. So there you go. This one, it's definitely all hyped out. Born to be mild, soup base. In the background of the labeling, it says stuff, the OG, the one and only, you know, so this is a very popular variety, let me tell you. So is this 5 minutes at 1,000 watts? I believe it is. 5 minutes, yeah. Now where's our fill line? That's the key here. Oh, it's nice and low. Okay, so hopefully it will not explode. Yeah. I do also have the hot, so I'll be doing that one soon as well. All right, let's slap this in the Spinny McSpin. God, when my son Miles was young, he was so fascinated by the microwave. Oh my God. That was his thing. We even got him a toy microwave and a microwave t-shirt. I mean, you didn't put the t-shirt in the microwave per se, but it was a t-shirt that had a picture of a microwave on it and just said, It was great. He liked the noises the microwave made, all that stuff. It was great. It's great. There's certain things he's still into. Speaking of the kids, my daughter had another softball game on Saturday. She had one on Friday too. And lost the one on Friday. It's like their team does a little bit better every game. Like this last game, which was on Saturday, they tied. They were really evenly matched. The Kraken staved off the advances of the Aftershock, which I don't know how little girls get some kind of like thing from a booze company, but whatever, you know, how they get promoted, but whatever. And yeah, so that's good. And I can tell my son is like really bummed out that, you know, little sister's getting all the attention because she's playing softball. So he's kind of invented this whole thing of like he's on a soccer team and he keeps throwing that out. And so how about a soccer ball? So while she's doing her practice, we can run around and kick the ball around. So hopefully that'll appease his interest. And yeah, good stuff. Good. What else is going? I said it for 5 minutes. Yeah. Now I don't have it anymore, so if I'm supposed to let it sit for another 2 minutes, I don't know what to do, but I don't think that's the case. The next one's another 5 minute or so. Yeah. Yep. So I've got an egg for this. I was going to use chashu, but this one has beef bone broth, and that's really interesting because I don't think Otoki, I don't think they have a factory in North America. Maybe they do now. And if they do, and you're listening, I'd love to see it. So, cheers. Hopefully that wasn't a sound of things exploding in the microwave. But anyways. Oh, that's weird. One thing that works really, really nicely with Korean ramen is, what's funny too is they pronounce it a lot. I did a radio show in Seoul, so I had to be up really late to do it because of the time differential. But he called it, it was almost like he was calling it ramen. But I'm pretty sure it's like how you do it. So what goes really well in Korean ramen, if I'm saying it right, is processed cheese. And there was a big article, really not a big article, there was a big hissy fit. So it was mentioned in a New York Times article about how processed cheese is really good in Korean instant noodles. And all of a sudden you got all these Westerners flipping out. How dare you? You're taking their culture away from, you're appropriating their culture and putting this horrible American thing in there. And then all these South Korean people are like, what are you talking about? That's what we do. You guys got it from us. It was great. It's like, don't be so quick to come to the rescue of a different culture because sometimes you just sound like a freaking idiot. But what do you do? Yep. Oh, it's so weird. It's funny. Yesterday was Easter, and my sister came down. My wife made a really nice Easter dinner. Thank you again. It was super good. And we were talking about, this and that and everything. We were talking about the Pope and how J.D. Vance met the Pope. I had no idea it was Catholic, but cool, whatever. And today, the Pope died. It's really kind of an odd thing. It's like, But now it gets interesting because, ooh, that's hot. Wow. Oh my God. Whew. But yeah, the next thing now is going to be, they go through a huge, I need a new fork. They go through a huge process when they pick a new pope. There's like smoke coming through the roof of things, and there's like a whole big deal about it. I don't know, but it's a thing. Wow. Let's look at this, because this is new. There we are. So this is I don't know if they made it microwavable either, but this is a beef bone broth ramen. So we will try and see how it is, because this is also microwaved. It smells very mushroomy. I'm not getting so much of a beef hit at the moment. I like that. Now we will dig into the broth. The veg in there is all right. Is it spicy? It's mild. Mildly spicy. That's a nice one. I really like that. That's definitely got a lot of potential to it. It is not spicy. You can spice it up if you wanted, and it's got a nice savory taste to it. The noodle comes out of the microwave very nice. What I'll do on the next one, which will be not tomorrow. I'm not reviewing it today, but the next of this range that I do of the Jin ramen, I'll do it steeping, aka I'm not gonna microwave it, so because you can do it either way. But the next one I will do the not microwaving way. I'm gonna add egg. I'm gonna add cheese. I'm gonna slap the cheese on first so it starts getting all melty. That's a nice thing. They also say add the cheese if you don't like heat. You know, yes, there are people in South Korea who don't like heat. Believe it or not, when I asked about it, it's like I got asked once in an interview, are there any Japanese things I don't like? I'm like, honestly, I'm really not hot on sea urchin. And the interviewer was like, oh God, no, that stuff's gross. I'm like, what? I don't know, you get this kind of thought that everybody there must like it. It's like, no, everybody there doesn't like it. So now you know. It's weird, there's so many things that kind of creep in. Things like, oh, this must be this way and this must be that way. And then you get to find out you're wrong, and then you're like, oh. Alright. So let's try out one of these fancy freaking wow eggs. I just did these up earlier, so they got a little bit of color to them. You might be like, oh, do you use mirin and this and that? I used to, but honestly, these are plating eggs, and I'm more interested in how they look than how they taste, to be quite honest with you. So I generally just use a ratio of soy sauce and water. And if you are ever in the Kenmore area and you're a person I know and you are one of my ramen friends, yes, I will cook you up a bowl and you can eat them. Generally, I do not eat all the eggs I use. I'm using 3 eggs today, and I just can't. I like eggs, but not that much. That's good. Do we have anything peppery I want to add? I do have. Yeah. I'm going to use a little crushed red pepper. I wish I had better, what do you call it? I wish I had the pepper flake. Well, I mean, I have pepper flake. What do you call it? Pepper thread. I like using pepper thread. Oh, I could use the thing for this. Hold on, because I want to move some of that over here and I want to do it delicately. Hold on. So as I mentioned, my sister came down for Easter, and she came bearing gifts, and she brought a couple things. She seems to be on a kick of getting rid of all this stuff. And this is a foreign body removal tool. It's a what do you call it? It's for surgery. It's for doctors. But look, it's a little. Let me see if you can even see that. Can you see that? It's like little things. And on the other end, it's got a little scissor-like action. So what I'm gonna do, this is really silly. I'll be the first to admit that. It works. Okay, that's okay. You're not laughing. Okay, fine. I'm enthused. But anyways, there is our Jin Ramen mild. New packaging, new brand name. Wow. Otoki. This is good. If you like I'll say it. If you like Shin, you might like this better. Alright, well that's some sad sounding music. Let's bump that up a notch. Yeah, that's a little better. Well, thanks for watching. I've got one more I'm doing today that you will see tomorrow on the show. And this came by way of Frank over at 5am Ramen. Go to 5amramen.com and check out this cool boxes he's got. This is New Touch, aka Yamadai, and this is a Japanese super premium bowl. This is what do you call it? This is a winter shio, and this looks really good, and there's some kind of spicy element to it, and that'll be the next one that I do. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.